Look at all those chickens. Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those.
Just look at all them chickens. That's my friend. Say hello. Look at all those chickens.
Those are geese.
No, those chickens.
Okay.
Look at my feet. They're so fabulous.
My feet.
Your feet are awesome.
Thank you. These shoes cause a scab on the back of my ankle, but it's okay.
My
they
feet
look
tried to commit
nice.
suicide
They did?
by cutting itself with my shoe.
No. Are you gonna scream at them?
Let the geeses.
Alright, I'm gonna hold this while you scream at them. I have no idea.
Don't scare them! Stop! You guys are monsters! Don't scare them!
Oh shit. It's goose abuse. Get it? Goose abuse.